Hello guys, welcome back to part 4 of this how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now, in the previous part, which is the part 3, I have shown you the top 5 essential tools to start your affiliate marketing game, and these are the most important ones. And if you've not watched the video, you can always check out the video on the top right of your screen, or you can check the video link in the description box below. Now, in this particular part, which is part 4, I'm going to discuss about the top 5 affiliate platforms where you can sign up, because at times it can be overwhelming for a complete beginner to find the right affiliate platform. So I'm here to help you to find and sign up for these 5 platforms which are reliable and trusted. And if you stick with me till the end, I'm going to share you the 5th platform, which is a bit new, and you can find newer products on it and you can get approved on it easily. Now, this is not a channel that tells you what to do, but I actually tell you how to do it. Real step-by-step tutorials, real tools, real strategies, and no gatekeeping. And if you really want to build a long-term affiliate business, then hit the subscribe button below. This is the place where real learning begins. Now let's go and see the first platform that you need to sign up for. The first platform is Warrior Plus, and this is one of the most reliable platforms, and they have been in this game for almost like nearly 2 decades. Now you can just go and click on this sign up free button, and you can sign up to this platform, and they will ask you to enter all those username, password, address, and you also need to provide your government ID, and they will also ask you to pay like $5, which is kind of user registration fee. And from there, once you get approved, and you will get approved, there's no doubt in it. So after that, you can just go and start applying for the products. This is what the Warrior Plus dashboard looks like, and you can see the top products that are available that are performing well, like today, yesterday, last 7 days, and last 30 days. And you can see which product is performing well, and you can just go and applying for those products. And once you're approved, you can just start promoting to your subscribers. Now, the second platform that I would recommend you to sign up for is ClickBank. Now, most of you people online know what ClickBank is, and they have been in this game for almost nearly 3 decades, I hope. And you can sign up for ClickBank for free, and you can just go and click on this start here button. You can just click on this skip this start guide, and here you can go and sign up for them. And here you can see this all fields are mandatory, so you can enter the country you are from, first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, and you can click on this continue terms and conditions and click on join ClickBank. So once you sign up to ClickBank, you will reach this dashboard, ClickBank dashboard, and under this you can go and click on this affiliate marketplace, start seeing the different offers that are available under different niches, like the health and fitness niche, the e-biz and e-marketing, spiritual, self-help, home and garden, cooking, growing products, business and investing. So normally the BizOp and affiliate marketing niche comes under the e-biz and e-marketing. You can click under this, and you can see the products that are available, and you can just go and click on this promote option. And once you click on this promote option, you can just enter the affiliate nickname, and you can just click on this. And once you scroll down, you can just go and get this hop link. The third platform that I'm recommending you is Digistore24. Now, Digistore24 is somewhat newer to this affiliate marketing game, and they are also reliable and most trustworthy. Click on this get started button, enter your public username, email, password, and you can just say what is your main source of revenue. If you are a vendor or a product owner, you can click on this, or if you are an affiliate, you want to promote a product, if you don't have any products, you can click on this, and you can just click on this. I have read all this stuff, and click on continue. So once you have signed up for Digistore, you can reach this page, which is the home page. And from the home page, when you click on this marketplace over here, you will reach this page, and under this you can see the different products available. And mostly Digistore and ClickBank are almost same, where you find mostly health offers and a bit of other niche offers like e-biz and internet marketing and spirituality, cooking, home and garden, woodworking. So you can see mostly these are health and weight loss offers, and you can go here under the digital products, and you can see this business and investment, and you have these different offers available under this. You can just go and click on promote now, and you can get this affiliate link and you can start using in your affiliate marketing game. Now the fourth affiliate platform is called JVZoo. Now JVZoo is more of a software related products where you can find more of the newer softwares, apps, those kind of things. Now JVZoo requires you to pay around $5, which is like a user registration fees, and you can just go and click on the start for free button. So you can just enter your legal name, email, password, state, country from where you are, and you can just click on register. And once account is verified, then you can start promoting the products. And you come to the dashboard, and under that, if you click on this products, so under the top sellers, you have these different products that are selling very good right now. You can see this number one top selling product, AI Cash Cow by Alex Jeffries, and 7-Figure Accelerator by Philip Johansson. He's an affiliate marketer. So you can find different products over here, and you can click on this affiliate information over here, go and enter the message and click on request for approval. And once you're approved, then you can start promoting this product. So the final and the fifth affiliate platform that I am going to show you is called Explorely. Now Explorely is a newer affiliate platform built by a group of affiliate marketers. Now this is similar to like ClickBank, but here you can find more of make money online and CPA offers over here. So you can just go and click on this free sign up. So you have to sign up as an affiliate since you're an affiliate, not a product owner or seller. So you can just click on free sign up. So you have to enter your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and you can click on this sign up option. Now you will reach this Explorely homepage, and under the homepage there you have to go and click on this marketplace. And under the marketplace you have these different niches. You can like e-business and e-marketing, the one which is make money online niche. You can just click on this and you can see the products over here. Just click on this promote option and click on this create affiliate link, and from there you can copy this affiliate link and start promoting to your subscribers. So these are the top 5 platforms that I recommend you to go and sign up for. Now if you're someone who is serious about making money online and really interested in making money through affiliate marketing, and you want to quit your 9-to-5 job and live your life of your dreams and want to build a real sustainable business for the long term, then I would request you to check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below, which is called Passive Income Profits. When you click the link in the description box below, you will reach this page called Passive Income Profits. Now this program is by my own mentor, Benjamin from Singapore. And when you scroll down, you will have 3 levels of mentorship program available, which is Beginners Club, Star Club, and the Inner Circle. Now Beginners Club is $97 USD one time, and under the Beginners Club you have more than 100 videos where you can watch the videos and you can try it on your own. So it's like a do-it-yourself program, and inside these videos there are 4 different strategies that are covered. When you scroll down, you can see there are 4 different strategies, which is email marketing, social media marketing, paid ads, and course creation. So these are the 4 different topics that are covered inside this beginners program. And you will also have lifetime Facebook group support, and he will answer all your doubts and questions in less than 24 hours inside the Facebook group. So once you click on this check curriculum button over here, you will see the different areas that are covered under this Beginners Club: affiliate marketing, email marketing, custom domain, funnel creation, Getresponse, CPA offers, traffic, social media marketing, paid ads, Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Microsoft Advertising, which is Bing, and course creation. So all the topics are covered. Now the second program is called Star Club, which is $2997 US one time. This is more for like someone who is intermediate and advanced affiliate marketers where they want to improve their email marketing game. Then you can enroll on to this Star Club program. Now under the Star Club program, you have 8 times weekly one-on-one Zoom session with the mentor Ben himself, which is going to be minimum of 60 minutes. And if you have more questions, he is always ready to answer you. And you have personal access to his Facebook Messenger where he will answer every question in less than 12 hours. He normally answers less than 1 or 2 hours. So you can have advanced strategies. You can discuss within the advanced strategies and what are the strategies that are working right now in the affiliate marketing game, and how you can create multiple income using the same email list, and also how you can leverage the in-house affiliate program where you can get almost 40% from all his programs. Now the third and the final one is going to be the inner circle, which is $6,997 one time, and here you get everything in the beginners plus the start club. Now the inner circle is something different, where if you're a complete beginner and you need a hand holding approach, it's more of like a done with you service where you will be doing and the mentor will be guiding, so you will learn at the same time. And the one important feature is that he will work with you perpetually until you achieve a minimum of $5,000 profit for consecutively 3 months. So no one in this online market space is going to offer you such kind of offer, guys, because he will work with you until you make this 5K in profit. This is where you really learn the foundations of the business, learn how to build real tools, learn how to build real strategies, and learn how to scale your business. And you also have one-on-one weekly Zoom session and tailor-made action plan for you, and weekly assignments, and what are the offers converting. Now we will answer all your questions through Facebook Messenger in less than 1 or 2 hours. And you also have 90% done for your system, and you also have access to his in-house affiliate program where you're going to get 15% commissions on all his 3 different levels, and also 2-tier commission rates. But there is a catch here. Now, if you want to enroll into the Star Club or Inner Circle, first you need to click on this check curriculum button. And under this, there is an option called book a Zoom session before you enroll. Now, you need to book a Zoom session with the mentor before enrolling into this inner circle. You have one-on-one discussion with the mentor in the Zoom session where he is going to understand your commitment, your capital, your effort, inputting daily so that you get the desired output. Because if you don't have any of these, he is going to reject you. So always please book a Zoom session before enrolling into this inner circle or the Start Club program. And when you scroll down, you can see all the features under this program. So if you're serious about making money online using affiliate marketing, then you can always check out this program, Passive Income Profits. And I would recommend you to seriously go for this because you can learn the business right from the scratch. So with that, let's meet in the next video where we're going to discuss more about this affiliate marketing business, and especially we are going to concentrate on the topic of traffic. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.